Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel Acrylic Colors. I am Payal. In today's video, I'm going to share with you Maa Kali canvas painting. This is my first time canvas painting and I brought this canvas paper from Flipkart. So you can go Flipkart and check it out. Also you can buy this kind of paper from the local store. This is my first time, so please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and enjoy my drawing. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post all the final outcomes of my drawing. Please have a look and follow me there. I put that link in my description box and also mention on my screen. If you like my drawing, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and let me know in my comment section what you think about my drawing. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.